Yeah, Mom, yeah, nothing, Mummy. I'm just being, yeah. Yeah, well, I'm just being good. I'm getting ready to, to sleep, eat, play, whatever I do, Mummy. I'm not, I'm not eating the flowers at all. I'm not smelling them, nibbling them. Yep, I'm being really good. Yep, Mummy, I'm being really good at avoiding temptation. So you can rest easy that your flowers are not being destroyed by me. Mummy, they're too pretty. I love these flowers. I don't want them to be ruined. So I'm not eating them at all. I'm not at all eating them. No, I am not. Yep, but these flowers, oh my God, they're so sweet and yummy. I really want to eat them. Shh, don't say, okay? One second, what's this? The earth is shaking. Oh my God, this thing is vibrating. The bass on it. Jesus. Okay, well, she's coming soon to this room. I better look like I'm checking myself out. Yep, there I am. La la la. I'm not eating the flowers, as you can see, Mummy. I'm just standing here. Sitting pretty, I am. Yep, that's me. And I think I can smell food. So, off to lunch. Yep, that's just what I said. And if you like what I say, then do subscribe to my program, Georgia Sass. This is how you subscribe on YouTube. See you at Facebook too. Bye.